Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the tutorial how to manage your post visibility on your TikTok account. So the first thing you have to do is open your TikTok account, and here I already opened mine. And whenever you open the TikTok account, sometimes you will be generated into the home section, but then if you are in the home section, you just need to jump into the profile sections. In this profile section, you just need to go into these three straight lines, and after that you just need to go click settings and privacy. In the settings and privacy, you just need to go into the content and display. Make sure that you are going into the activity center. Just need to go click the activity center here, and after that there will be like 4 options that pop up on your screen. You just need to choose the manage post visibility, and there will be pop up in your screen the post or the content that you create on your TikTok account. And to manage this, you just need to go click the specific content that you want to manage. For example, this one, if you want to send this TikTok content only for your friends, you just need to go click next. And after that, you just need to choose one of the option. If you only want to send it to your friends or the people that follows and you follow back, you just need to go click it and go click update. And you can do the same for the rest. So that's the way how to manage post visibility on a TikTok. Hopefully this is really helpful for you. Don't forget to leave some comment if you find this tutorial today is quite get useful.